Can LG Smart TV connect to Bluetooth speaker? Yes, LG Smart TVs can connect to Bluetooth speakers, allowing you to enjoy enhanced audio wirelessly. Most LG Smart TVs with WebOS 4.0 and later have built-in Bluetooth support, but older models may require a Bluetooth transmitter to connect external speakers. 1. Checking if your LG Smart TV supports Bluetooth. To confirm if your LG Smart TV has Bluetooth capabilities, press the Settings button on your remote. Navigate to All Settings greater than Sound Out. Look for Bluetooth Speaker List in the menu. If Bluetooth Speaker List is available, your TV supports Bluetooth speaker connections. If Bluetooth is not available, you will need a Bluetooth audio transmitter to connect speakers. 2. Connecting a Bluetooth speaker to LG Smart TV. If your LG Smart TV has Bluetooth, follow these steps to connect your Bluetooth speaker. Step 1. Put your Bluetooth speaker in pairing mode. Step 2. Press the Settings button on your remote. Step 3. Go to All Settings, then Sound Out then. Bluetooth device list. Step 4. Select your Bluetooth speaker from the list. Step 5. Confirm pairing and your TV audio will now play through the Bluetooth speaker. 3. Using a Bluetooth transmitter. If your TV does not support Bluetooth, if your LG Smart TV does not have Bluetooth, you can use a Bluetooth transmitter. Step 1. Purchase a Bluetooth transmitter that connects via 3.5mm AUX, RCA, or optical toslink port. Step 2. Plug the transmitter into your TV's audio output port. Step 3. Turn on the Bluetooth transmitter and your Bluetooth speaker, then pair them. Step 4. Once paired, the TV audio will wirelessly play through the Bluetooth speaker. 4th, troubleshooting Bluetooth speaker connection issues. If your Bluetooth speaker does not connect to your LG Smart TV, try these solutions. Restart both devices. Turn off and on your TV and Bluetooth speaker before trying again. Ensure the speaker is in pairing mode. Some speakers require holding a button to enter pairing mode. Update your TV software. Go to Settings, then Support, then Software. Update to check for updates. Reduce interference. Move other Bluetooth devices away from the TV to avoid connection issues. Check TV audio settings. Ensure Bluetooth output is selected in Sound Out settings. Most LG Smart TVs support Bluetooth speaker connections, allowing you to enjoy wireless audio. If your TV has Bluetooth, pairing a speaker is easy through sound settings. If it does not support Bluetooth, a Bluetooth transmitter is a simple solution to enable wireless speaker connectivity.